Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use QuickBooks Online to manage your business finances, this video is a must watch. Today, I'll show you exactly how to lock your books in QuickBooks Online, step by step, so no one can accidentally edit or mess with your finalized financial data. Let's make sure your hard work stays safe and secure. First things first, open your browser and head over to the QuickBooks Online website. Sign in using your correct email and password, the same account you use for your business bookkeeping. Once you're inside your QuickBooks dashboard, look to the top right corner and click on the little gear icon. That's your settings menu. From there, select Account and Settings. Now, on the left-hand side, click the Advanced tab. This is where all the important accounting controls live. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Close the Books. This is the magic button that locks your data. Turn it on and choose a closing date. For example, December 31st, 2024, if you want to lock everything up to the end of last year. Once this is done, QuickBooks won't let anyone make changes to transactions before that date without permission. But for even better protection, check the option that says, Allow changes after viewing a warning and entering a password. This lets you set a password so that even if someone tries to make a change, they'll need your authorization first. Go ahead and set a strong password, something only you or your accountant would know, and confirm it. Finally, click Save at the bottom. That's it. Your books are now officially locked. QuickBooks will protect all transactions up to the date you set, keeping your reports accurate and preventing accidental edits. And there you have it. Your QuickBooks Online is now securely locked and protected. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials, and drop a comment below if you want me to cover another feature in detail. Thanks for watching, and remember, smart bookkeeping starts with secure books.